My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware, which is called FAG. FAG is a special ransomware that attacks many Windows files today, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. You can clearly see that before the ransomware attack, we are able to open the files without troubles. Pictures, music, as I said, Microsoft Office, and all other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular FAG ransomware may be easily injected into the device. And then it is not possible to open the files anymore. The ransomware encrypts the files and drops the ransom note. For some reasons I'm not able to properly read it. I assume that this ransom note is in Russian. The ransomware briefly tells its victims that they should pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, you should not pay the ransom. You should not waste your money. Paying the ransom does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money without getting the data recovered. This FAG ransomware appends a special extension to the files after they get damaged and encrypted. Typically, after people restart their computers, they soon realize that they just cannot use their data anymore because of this FAG ransomware. Keep in mind that my video is solely for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. I recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of reliable anti-ransomware program called Combo Cleaner. To download Combo Cleaner, you will need to use Internet Explorer browser most likely, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts can also be damaged by the ransomware. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the program, then click on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. Most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is essential for proper detection and removal of any ransomware or malware. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is a part of the premium license only. So then, at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their locations on the system. I do recommend that you upgrade to premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected. Combo Cleaner removes this ransomware called FAG, but it does not recover the data. Nevertheless, it indeed will help you to protect your files from being damaged in the future.